Here we have a 2016 Ford F-150 Crew Cab, 35,000 miles, one owner with a clean auto history. Really a sharp looking truck here. It has the chrome package. It's in Oxford white. Chrome package gives you the 5-bar grille there. Got your high intensity headlamps, your integrated fogs, got the chrome recovery hooks down there on your tow hooks, chrome lower bumper. Continue around to the side, another part of the chrome pack you can see here, 18-inch 5-spoke chrome wheels, 6-spoke chrome wheels. Also, these tires are Goodyear Wrangler SRAs, probably have about 6/32, so about half wear left. Also, you can see you have a nice shiny rotor and resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed out by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Right now we're looking in through the passenger side. You can see a manual adjustment on the passenger side. 40-20-40 split bench seat with fold down center console. Light gray, I think they call this earth gray, a light gray cloth covering on the seats, dark charcoal carpeting. Really spacious, very nice leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your front occupants. Also, a part of the chrome pack is this 5-inch chrome Ford factory running board that runs door to door. As you can see there, you get the chrome door handles with the chrome pack as well. We'll open up the back here. You can see, because it's a crew cab, all kinds of room, very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room back here for your rear occupants. Also, this has the Ford factory slush mat or all-weather mat, front and rear all the way around. Also, you can see the back there is very clean as well. Now, another nice thing is I show you this tire, just to show you it is a matching tire, about the same 6/7/32, scuff-free 18-inch 6-spoke wheel. But what's nice is this is the 157-inch wheelbase, so you get the full 6.5-foot box here on this truck, which is nice. It's hard to find those. Most of the 145-inch. As you can see, we got chrome bumper back here, integrated class 3 tow hitch with factory preset wiring, both for your 7-way and 7-way round, 4-way flat. Got your backup camera there. Go ahead and drop the tailgate. You can see it does have a drop-in liner to protect the bed, so that's nice. Plenty of places there to tie down cargo. Continuing around to the other side again, just to show you, we have matching Goodyear SRAs all the way around, about the same 6/7/32. Scuff-free rear wheel there also. Full board on this side. And as you can see, like I say, good looking interior on this side as well. Doesn't seem to have many rips, tears, or stains. Seems to be a pretty clean vehicle. Also, you do have your combo entry exit here on the door here for Ford. I have the keys in the ignition. I just want to give you a quick little tour. I do want to point out it does have a full power seat on the driver's side, unlike the passenger. Another part you can find your windows, your mirrors, and your locks all located here on this side. We do have heated mirror there, as you can see. Now when I jump in, like I say, it's a one owner clean Carfax. We always have a copy of the auto history report right here so you guys can see that. There's no brands, everything's good. As you can see there, 35,472 miles. We'll go ahead and start this truck up. And we'll just kind of continue on with the tour. Lower left here is where you'll find your fog lights, your cab lights, automatic headlamp control, dimmer switch for your cluster. Stem to the left is your high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers, column shift on the right, tow haul button, on the end. Ability to pick any of the gears of the automatic transmission with manual control there on the inside of the stem. Now this control pad right here is for the center screen. As you can see, we can toggle between display mode, trip, fuel, towing, off-road, various settings. Oil life. You have options for there. You see your tripometer. You also, if we toggle through, you have tire pressure monitoring, all kinds of different driver convenience settings that way. We have your cruise control to the lower right, audio controls on your steering wheel or to the right side of the wheel, and then we have your Bluetooth or hands-free cell there capability on the lower right. Now this has the big 8-inch touch screen. You can see it is equipped with factory nav, AM, FM, satellite radio. Of course, you can pair any device. We've got your navigation for the big screen, or you can do the split screen like we showed before if you go to the home So there's all kinds of, it is nice to have that factory navigation. We got your electronic shift on the fly transfer case right there. Got your built-in trailer brake controller right there below that, and your toggle down there. There's your audio controls, there's your climate controls. Down below you can see we got your USB, your audio pre-out, your 12-volt power supply all down there. LED map lights up top. And then we have this nice big console here on your fold down, 2 big cup holders, and then a large console there you can keep some of your items. So really nice equipment here on this truck. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Believe this is the 5.0 V8 in this particular truck. So let's take a peek at it. That's what we got, 5.0 V8. Very clean, very quiet. You can see, looks like a new one under there. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on your electrical terminals. This looks like a brand new one, very well maintained by the previous owner mechanically. Now, let's go ahead and shut this off. Get into the next portion of our video. The next portion, I really think is something that sets us apart here at Thomas. Not only are we completely upfront in our pricing, we also want to be upfront and transparent in the cosmetic and mechanical conditions of our vehicles. Obviously, the mechanical condition, that's why we have that used car check sheet. And my job here now is just to go over the cosmetic. Now, I did notice when I walked around, this one has a couple little imperfections, a few minor scratches, chips, things of that nature. So I'll try to point that out as I go. Here's a little chip. Couple there that have been touched up, couple there on the edge of the hood, as you can see. If I see a dent or so, I'll let you know. A little scratch right there on that door. Front door looks pretty good. You got a little chip right there you can see on that rear door. Another little scratch there, you can see. A couple chips down behind here as well. Got some cluster of scratches here, all on that same pillar there. And across this bedside we do have some chips and dings. I'm just gonna kind of, not so much dings, more just little minor scrapes, scratches, a couple little chips. I'm just gonna kind of pan across here so you guys can see them versus pointing every single one out. Do have some chips there along there, little one there, some minor scratches here across the side. Just a couple little chips there, scratches, whatnot. Got them down here also. You can see a cluster coming back through here. A few more down here. A couple more in the corner. One here on the back of the tailgate. Cluster of a few more on the tailgate there also. A few scrapes coming down this way. A few more over here. And again, just kind of pan across. It's the back of the tailgate. A few little scrapes and scratches. Continue up this bedside. Again, just I'm going to try to pan. I know it's hard to kind of catch, but there's just a few scrapes. I believe this truck was used, some things, maybe had some lettering or something, but just a few scrapes, maybe cargo or whatever the case may be, just kind of running down this bedside here. Another one down there. A few around this wheel well also. A few scratches down there. Now the door looks pretty good. Really, a lot of the scratches and scrapes and scuffs are all kind of around that bed and tailgate area. We do have a couple up there. But these passenger doors look pretty good. I haven't really noticed any dents, just some scuffs and scrapes. There's one underneath the emblem. Now, of course, we got a few chips along the front here. We have a few stone chips as I pan across the front of this hood. We got a few down here as well. On the top of the hood, not too bad. There's one scratch here and here. Looks like we got one up there also. There's a couple little scratches on top of the hood, but now this is still covered under the remainder of Ford's factory warranty. So you can buy this car with confidence, both the powertrain and the comprehensive. Like I say, it does have a couple little scrapes and scratches on it, but priced very, very well to market. Good, reliable, well-maintained mechanically truck. And I urge you to come take a look at it. If you're interested, a couple different ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.